Visual scan is complete. All clear. All clear means A-Train, you guys are out of here. Enjoy your ride on the Raging Bull El Toro.
We will enjoy our ride on the Raging Bull El Toro. Wait, that's like 2 different roller coasters. Doesn't matter, I love it. El Toro here at Six Flags Great Adventure. Still one of my favorite wooden roller coasters ever built. Quite possibly my favorite wooden roller coaster ever built. It is absolutely insane. Oh my God, the climb up this lift hill is already like 30 miles an hour. It's nuts. All right, here we go, guys. We are near the top of El Toro's lift hill. Get ready for it, because this is still one of the most batshit crazy wooden roller coasters ever built. Oh my God. Here comes the oh crap moment. Get ready. Oh crap! Oh yeah! Oh my God! Woo! Oh, that is insane! Oh my God! Woo! I don't believe it! Oh! Seriously! El Toro is just nuts! Oh my God! Whee! Oh man! This ride is absolutely crazy! Woo! Oh my God! Ready? Woo! Oh jeez! That is some of the craziest airtime ever on a wooden roller coaster! Oh! Whee! Oh my! Oh yeah! Oh! Woo! Oh, and that is El Toro here at Six Flags Great Adventure. That just is absolutely batshit crazy insane, and I love it. All right, guys, get ready for it. We're gonna do not 1, but 2 loop-de-loops, and at least a couple of holy crap moments coming your way. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Oh crap, get ready for it. Ready? Oh! Loop-de-loop 1, followed immediately by loop-de-loop 2. Oh, holy crap! Ready? Whee! Oh man, if you're in the back seat, this is a holy crap moment right here. Oh! And woo! They don't make roller coasters like this anymore, but they should. Oh, get ready for it! Whee! Oh, man! This is still one of my favorite coasters ever. Ready and woo! Oi! Tooth chipper at the moment, at the end, and that is still awesome. Shockwave over here at Six Flags over Texas. Remember, as we go through the loop, try to catch a glimpse of Super Duper Ooper Man standing up on top of the loop saying, "Don't mess with me, I'm Super Duper Ooper Man." All right, kids, here we go. Ready? No! Oh my God! Super Duper Ooper Man! Oh! Oh my God! Here we go! Back into the ravine! And 0G craziness! Followed by the angry cobra snake dive waffle Trisket roll! Oh my God! Woo! Here we go. Brake run, brake run, brake run, except there's no brakes at all whatsoever! Oh! Upside downy thingy! And another upside downy thingy, part 2! And here we go. Into the brake run. Hello, Mr. Brake Run. Make sure you post something in the comments below if you want to ride this sucker. And we know you want to ride, so you better post some comments. All right, guys, here we go. We're at the top. Get ready for it. Oh, awesome view of the park from here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh man, here we go. I'm cresting the first drop. It's really, really steep. Oh my God! Yeah! Oh man, I love it! This is how you enjoy life! Yeah! Scream along with me! All right, guys, so we're here at Six Flags St. Louis riding Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast. This ride is awesome, isn't it? Here we go. Oh man, I'm never ready for this launch. Oh! Oh man, I love that! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Here we go, looking straight down. This is awesome. Woohoo! Oh! Whee! Oh! Straight up, straight down. Oh, wow. That is seriously one awesome, awesome ride. Woo!
A loud one too, so get ready for it.
Here we go.
Yes! Woo! Oh my God! This is awesome. Great view of the park. Yeah! Into this crunchy. Oh man! That was awesome.
Yeah, just like that, we're back.
What an intense ride, that launch.
Exactly what this ride does. So here goes nothing. Ready? Oh crap. Whoa!